Sugar. It sweetens our lives, fuels our bodies, and powers our world. But have you ever wondered how it's made? Welcome to the sugar mill, a colossal cathedral of industry where raw nature is transformed into pure energy. Inside these walls, a symphony of steel, steam, and speed works nonstop, day and night. It all begins here, in the vast, sun-drenched fields where sugarcane grows tall and rich with juice. When the cane is at its peak sweetness, massive harvesters roar to life, cutting and collecting the crop with precision. The clock is ticking. Once cut, the cane must reach the mill quickly to preserve its sugar content. Upon arrival, every load is weighed and locked. Tons of raw material are about to begin their transformation. The cane is unloaded, feeding the insatiable appetite of the mill's intake systems. First, it must be cleaned. High-pressure water jets strip away soil and debris, preparing the cane for the crush. Then, the brute force. Giant steel rollers crush the fibers, squeezing out the sweet, murky juice hidden inside. This raw juice is the lifeblood of the process, captured and channeled away for purification. The leftover fiber, known as bagasse, isn't waste. It's fuel. Fed into massive boilers, the bagasse burns to generate high-pressure steam. This steam drives turbines, creating the electricity that powers the entire mill, a self-sustaining cycle of energy. Back to the juice. It's heated and treated with lime to bind impurities, which settle out, leaving a clear golden liquid. The clear juice enters the evaporators. Here, excess water is boiled off, thickening the liquid into a rich syrup. Inside vacuum pans, the magic happens. The syrup is boiled further until sugar crystals begin to seed and grow. To separate the crystals from the molasses, the mixture is spun in high-speed centrifuges. Centrifugal force flings the molasses away, leaving behind pure, sparkling sugar crystals. The damp crystals are tumbled through rotary dryers, where hot air removes the last moisture. Finally, the finished sugar flows to the packaging lines, ready to be bagged, sealed, and sent to the world. From a green stalk in the field to the crystals on your table, this is the journey of sugar,